How many have watched CSI, Crime Scene Investigation? Well, today we're going to talk about cow side investigation. This session we're going to talk about handling cows, moving cows, and using the cow moving gate effectively. Do your techs know and understand the flight zone? I got called to this dairy because it's a brand new parlor and their cows aren't coming into the parlor. They're not letting their milk down. If you look when they first see the cows in this holding area, everything looks normal here. But then a few minutes later, in comes the dogs. And where do the cows go? So this is the start of what they call stray voltage. No, not really. This is where we see the cows are being stressed out and scared by the dogs in the parlor. This will affect letting their milk down. They do not want to come to the parlor, affects the amount of milking time, and we do not get the milk out of the cows. The way to solve this problem is we ask the owner to leave the dogs away from the parlor, and within a week we gain 5 to 6 pounds of milk per cow per day on 400 cows. So always look what's going on in the parlor. Another very important part is the flight zone. Does everyone understand the flight zone of the cow? Or the blind spot is how to move cows forward and backwards. And if you do not know that, it's not going to be very easy to move cows in an efficient manner to and from the parlor. Notice in this video, the gentleman is letting the cows move on their own pace. If the cows will move on their own. They don't have to rush the cow. We don't want to move them and scare them and make them run fast. If you look in this video, what do we see here? We have 2 people, the milking technicians, up in the holding area. And where are the cows? We want the cows to come in on their own. Understand the flight zone. When it goes up in the holding area, these cows move backwards, away from where we want to go. So it's important to help the milking technicians understand the flight zone of the cow and how to use the cow moving gate effectively. As you see in this video, once we've trained the milking technicians to use the cow moving gate effectively, we see this as parlor loading on its own. There's nobody up in the parlor. The cows will come in on their own pace, and again, by doing that, we avoid stress of the cows. We see less manure being defecated in the parlor deck, and the cows come in because they want to be milked. They want to be milked. So always move cows in a calm manner. Make sure all employees understand the flight zone, and make sure they use the cow moving gate effectively. Remember, always do what's best for the cow. Thank you.